ASUS ROG Strix Scope TKL Electro Punk Edition mechanical gaming keyboard comes in a stunning black and pink cyberpunk theme. It features German-made Cherry MX Red switches for precision input with responsive keystrokes for an enhanced gaming performance. Precision shooting. Enjoy fewer missed clicks, better precision with a specially designed 2x broader, ergonomic left control key. This TKL or tenkeyless gaming keyboard gives more room for gamers and is a perfect choice for FPS games. Anti-ghosting 100% anti-ghosting with super fast response, onboard memory, on-the-fly macro keyboard recordings, Windows lock key for uninterrupted video games sessions. It's got it all. Portable minimalistic design. This compact and frameless wired keyboard fits easily into backpacks and comes with a Type-C detachable cord that doubles as a charging cord for mobiles while on the go. Durable keyboard. Resilient aluminum top plate in striking aesthetics looks classy. A stealth key, F12, hides all apps, mutes audio, and quick toggle between FN and media controls let you switch between work play instantly. Durable design. Aluminum top plate with striking aesthetic combines resilience and style. Top reviews from the United States. Great keyboard, get it if you can. Absolutely love this keyboard, great value for money, and great switches.